we draw a super important thing that helps us carry all our school supplies, a school bag. Let's get our pencils ready and start drawing. Did you know that the first school bags were made of leather and were much smaller than the ones we use today? Backpacks became popular in the 1970s when kids started carrying their books on their backs instead of their hands. Some school bags have secret compartments for extra snacks or little treasures. School bags can come in all kinds of shapes. Some even look like animals or characters from movies. The most popular school bag color worldwide is blue. What's your favorite color? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. There are eco-friendly school bags made entirely from recycled plastic bottles. Did you know? Some people collect old school bags as antiques. Cool! Our school bag is all drawn and ready to carry all your favorite supplies. It's time to bring it to life with some fun colors. Grab your favorite crayons or markers, and let's start coloring. Do you like how we're drawing the shape of the bag? What do you think we should add next? Maybe some pockets or zippers? Do you think we should add a special design on the front? What would you like to put on your school bag? How many straps should our school bag have? Should it have 1 or 2? What color are you going to make your bag? I love using bright colors. What about you? Would you like a bag with lots of compartments? Or just one big one for all your school stuff? Should our school bag have wheels, or would you rather carry it on your back? Should we add a cool keychain to it? What kind of pattern do you think would look great on your bag? Maybe stars or stripes? Do you like how our school bag is turning out so far? Let me know! Your school bag looks amazing, and you did such a great job. It's definitely ready to hold a ton of educational books and items. Thank you for drawing with us today. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends so they can join in on the fun too. See you next time!